The incredible journey of John Cena from wrestling to Hollywood. You can't see me. A catchphrase that became a global phenomenon. John Cena is not just a wrestler. He is an icon, a Hollywood star, and an inspiration to millions. But how did he rise from a small town kid to one of the greatest WWE superstar of all time? Let's dive deep into the life and legacy of John Cena. Born on 23 April 1977 in West Newbury, Massachusetts, John Felix Anthony Cena was destined for greatness. Growing up in a family of five brothers, young John and to fight hard literally and figuratively to stand out. As a child, Cena had two passions, sports and bodybuilding. He was bullied in school, which pushed him to hit the gym at the age of 12. By high school, he was a standout football player, earning a scholarship to Springfield College in Massachusetts, where he played as a Division III football lineman. Cena studied exercise physiology and dreamed of a career in fitness. After graduating, he moved to California with just $500 in his pocket, hoping to make it in bodybuilding, but fate had other plans. In 1999, while working as a motion drive and struggling to make ends meet, Cena discovered professional wrestling. He joined Ultimate Pro Wrestling (UPW), where he developed the person of the prototype, a futuristic robotic character. His hard work paid off, and in 2001, WWE, then WWF, signed him to a development contract. Cena was sent to Ohio Valley Wrestling (OVW) training alongside future WWE stars like Randy Orton and Brock Lesnar. On June 27, 2002, John Cena made his WWE debut on String Kurt Angle's Open Challenge. With the word ruthless aggression, he made an instant impact, but he struggled to connect with fans early on. His gendering character was not working, but then something changed. Cena reinvented himself as the Doctor of Thugonomics, a trash-taking reaper who could battle opponents inside and outside the ring. This new person made him a fan favorite. His charisma, mixed skills, and in-ring talent earned him the United States Championship in 2004, marking the beginning of his WWE dominance. In 2005, Cena reached the top of WWE by defeating JBL at WrestleMania 21 to win his first WWE Championship. With his signature hostile loyalty respect motto, he became the ultimate babyface, the hero fans either love or love to hate. Cena had unforgettable feud with some of WWE biggest name as Triple H, Randy Orton, and The Rock. He became a 16-time world champion, trying Ric Flair's legendary record. His strength, never give up attitude, and ability to put on classic matches solidified his legacy as one of WWE's greatest superstars. Cena's career was not without setbacks. He suffered multiple injuries, including two torn muscles and a serious neck injury, but time and again he made miraculous recoveries, returning ahead of schedule and shocking the WWE universe. One of the most memorable moments was in 2008 when he made a surprise return at the Royal Rumble after a torn pectoral muscles. The crowd went wild as he won the match, proving that nothing could keep him down. As WWE's top star, Cena caught Hollywood attention. He started with action films like The Marion, but soon he showed his comedic side in movies like Trainwreck and Blockers. His role in Fast and Furious 9 and the hit TV series Peacemaker made him a true Hollywood star. But beyond wrestling and acting, Cena's biggest impact has been his philanthropy. He holds the record for granting the most wishes, over 650 for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. No other celebrity has come close to his dedication to bring smiles to children battling critical illness. Cena gradually moved to a part-time WWE role, but he still returned for special matches, including his feud with Roman surprise. Whether fans beyond or cheered, everyone known Cena had earned his place in wrestling history. Today, Cena Lexi is secured 16-time world champion, WWE's biggest mainstream crossover star, and one of the most inspirational figures in sport entertainment. From a struggling bodybuilder to one of the most recognizable faces on the planet, John Cena's story is proof that hard work, resilience, and patience can't take you anywhere. Love him or hate him, there is no denying that John Cena will always be one of the greatest of all time. What's your favorite John Cena moment? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories.